Are you looking for the best washing machine in 2025? From smart features to powerful cleaning, we've tested the top models to help you find the perfect fit for your home. Stay tuned, we're breaking down the best of the best. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up or down, and let us know in the comments which washer you think is the best. Alright, let's get into it. Number 1. Samsung WF53BB8700AVUS. Our top-rated washing machine overall, the Samsung really stands out. Not just for its sleek design and competitive price, but for how smart and easy it is to use. Despite all the tech inside, it's incredibly intuitive. It runs quietly, which makes it perfect for overnight cycles or homes where peace and quiet really matter. With a spacious 5.3 cubic feet capacity, it's great for families, and the auto-dispensing system for detergent and softener. Super convenient, it does the measuring for you. It looks sharp too, which is a nice bonus if you've got an open-plan laundry space. Plus, it pairs perfectly with a stackable dryer. Now, it doesn't have a time-remaining display on the control panel, but you can see that and much more on the SmartThings app, which even tracks energy use. Overall, our tester found its wash performance excellent, and the smart features actually add meaningful convenience. Number 2. LGWM3400CW. If you're after a solid, reliable washer without spending a fortune, the LG is a great pick. Even at a budget-friendly price, you get a 4.5 cubic foot capacity, 8 wash cycles, and it's ENERGY STAR certified, using just 100 kilowatt hours per year, so it won't rack up your electricity bill. There's a 15-minute speed wash cycle and tub clean to keep the drum fresh. LG's 6 motion technology customizes the motion type for each cycle, so your clothes get a gentler but thorough clean. Now, you won't find extras like steam cleaning or smart features. Those are reserved for higher-end models like the LG washing machine. But if you want something simple, dependable, and effective, this one's a strong contender. Number 3. Maytag Smart Pet Pro Front Load Washer. If you've got pets or kids, this one's for you. The standout Pet Pro option lifts and traps stubborn pet hair, while the sanitized cycle gets rid of germs and allergens. It also has a 16-hour fresh hold option, which keeps clothes smelling fresh between washes. Great if you can't switch loads right away. It's got a big drum, so fewer loads to run, and the midnight steel blue finish hides smudges and always looks good, even in busy homes. There's also a matching stackable dryer, which is handy for smaller laundry spaces. Downsides: it's missing stain, soak, and wool cycles. So if you need those, it may feel a bit limited. And the larger size means it takes up more space, so make sure to check your dimensions. Still, for families with pets, this washer really delivers. Number 4. Whirlpool 5.2 cubic feet. Feet Smart. Top load washer. Prefer a top loader? The Whirlpool 5.2 cubic feet. Smart washer is a standout. It's super user-friendly and packed with smart features. One of the coolest? The 2-in-1 removable agitator. You can take it out for bulky loads like bedding, or keep it in for smaller loads that need more scrubbing power. It also includes a deep water option, 5 temperature settings, 3 spin speeds, adaptive wash tech, and whisper quiet performance. Wi-Fi connectivity lets you control it from the app, so it's smart in all the right ways. Customer feedback is mostly positive. 86% of Best Buy users recommend it. Highlights include its large capacity, quiet function, and great cleaning power. A few users mentioned issues with the soap dispenser or minor leaks, but that often came down to user error or setup. All in all, it's a smart, capable top loader for larger households. Number 5. LGWM4200H. This one's our top choice for quiet operation. Even at full spin, the LG washing machine runs remarkably quietly, and so it's perfect for late-night loads or daytime use in shared spaces. It features a roomy 5 cubic foot drum, giving families plenty of space to wash more and fewer loads. Users consistently report great cleaning results, and the machine is smart enabled, so you can check or control cycles from your phone. It even plays a cheerful tune when it's done. A small touch, but a nice one. A couple of minor downsides. There's no internal drum light, and the powerful spin can bunch clothes toward the back, so you might have to reach in. Still, this washer nails it. Quiet, effective, and packed with features. So, which one's the best? Our top pick is the LG WM4200H. It combines powerful cleaning, smart features, and quiet performance with great overall value. Thanks for watching. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this one.